Hey guys, I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. Um, I'm just gonna do random stuff to mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up pretty good, so there's no way I could actually memorize this stuff. Memorizing this for babies. Tell me in the comments below if you think that this is mixed up a lot. Just tell me what you think about it. Obviously I'm doing this randomly. Okay, there, I think it's mixed up enough. Right there. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Remember, when I'm doing this, I'm using beginner's method / Friedrich, just a little bit of both, just to spice it up, Mostly beginners though, so that's why it's taking a long time. It's not that impressive because I'm a young boy. It's my first year doing Rubik's Cube. Okay, let me see what I can do with this. I got unlucky right there. Oh, again, really? Okay, there, and solved. I think that's pretty good. If you liked it, comment, rate, subscribe, and like it.